hell am I running this? Rather sit back and wait.